There's a moment in everyone's life when they realize they've been settling. It's 2 a.m., you're staring at a screen, scrolling through other people's success stories, wondering why that can't be you. But here's the truth, while you're doubting, someone else is creating. Someone else is telling the world their story. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens when you face the fear of failure and take a leap into the unknown. This is your wake-up call. A chance to stop settling and start creating. And what better place to tell your story than at Burberry, a brand that's been rewriting the rules of luxury for over 160 years. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of a career that combines artistry, luxury, and innovation. Video editor, beauty. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Stick around until the end for information about this luxurious career path. London isn't just a city, it's a heartbeat. A playground for ambition, where centuries of history meet cutting-edge innovation. It's a place where art isn't confined to galleries. It spills into the streets, the fashion, the food. By day, you'll find inspiration in London's creative corners. From the designer boutiques of Bond Street to the bustling markets of Camden. By night, the city transforms. The nightlife is electric, with rooftop bars overlooking the Thames and exclusive events where creativity thrives. And at the center of it all is Burberry's global headquarters, a hub where dreams take shape and luxury becomes reality. Being a video editor at Burberry isn't just about cutting and splicing, it's about storytelling. Your role is to bring Burberry beauty to life, crafting narratives that captivate and inspire. From enhancing the glow of a model's skin to ensuring the slow motion of a perfume bottle feels effortless, your job is precision and artistry combined. You'll work with creative teams to develop campaigns that redefine beauty and elegance for a global audience. Your day starts with ideas and ends with impact. In the morning, you meet with directors and stylists to discuss the vision. By midday, you're immersed in the action, filming and directing, ensuring every shot is perfect. As the sun sets over London, you return to the editing suite. This is where the magic happens, where raw footage transforms into a masterpiece. And when the campaign finally goes live, you know you've created something unforgettable. This career offers more than just a paycheck, it's a lifestyle. Imagine attending private launches, collaborating with industry leaders, and seeing your work on screens across the world. Financially, video editors in London's luxury market earn between £35,000 and £55,000 annually, with the potential for growth as your reputation soars. But the true luxury? Knowing your creativity shapes how the world experiences beauty. So how do you step into this extraordinary world? Master your tools. Learn video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects through certified courses or platforms like Skillshare. Build a portfolio, create your own mock campaigns, or collaborate with local brands to showcase your vision. Document every project to stand out. Immerse yourself in the industry. Attend events like London Fashion Week, or workshops hosted by associations such as the British Film Institute. To stand out, you need more than skill, you need vision. Always look for stories where others see just products. Stay ahead of trends, embrace challenges, and never settle for average. For deeper insight, read In the Blink of an Eye by Walter Murch, a timeless guide on the art and craft of editing. At Burberry, a video editor doesn't just create content, they craft legacies. Every frame, every moment, tells a story that connects the world to beauty, luxury, and creativity. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about becoming a video editor beauty. For more videos like this, check out this next video.